Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing to you how to remove dandruff naturally, and it's also a very good ingredient to make this face hair mask. So my first ingredient is gram flour and second ingredient is shampoo that you used regularly. So friends, this is my two ingredients and I will show you how to make it. At first, I take 1 or 2 spoons of gram flour on my hand, and of course your hand is wash it firstly. So I take 1 spoon. Then I take shampoo. This time you add 1 or 3 spoons that you used regularly basics. So take 1 or 3 spoons shampoo. And then scrub this, and this time now apply it on your head and just little bit scrub your head and hairs that your scalp is get clean and your dandruff also removed. Just scrub and massage your hair, and little bit one if you want to water add this on your head, so you can add this. Now just apply and just massage your head gently. Then after 30 minutes or 20 minutes later, you wash your head here and you can see your hair is so much silky and shiny. Friends, this is super natural ingredients that you want to remove your dandruff, and also trust me, your dandruff get gone 100%. So friends, this is my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel.